My name is Robert Krohn. I lead a part of engineering at ServiceNow, mainly the applications that we build on top of the platform. So I'm here today to tell you about the platform and also talk about artificial intelligence. I'm an engineer, but the lawyer said I need to talk about this. So in a nutshell, we're going to be talking about some fantastic innovations today that are forward-looking. So we always encourage our customers to please make decisions based on what we have today. So that's the lawyer part. I'm so happy to be here. My wife is actually traveling with me. She's out today sightseeing. She may do a bit of shopping. She may do a spa treatment. The spa treatments here are very, very good. She wants me to do a little bit of a spa treatment. I'm not sure about that yet. But really, today I'm here to tell you and to show you how artificial intelligence can enhance your business in every part of your enterprise. So I've been in Silicon Valley for over 30 years. I grew up in Australia. I'm also German, but I grew up in Australia. And in Silicon Valley, we've been, looking at many new innovation cycles. And the artificial intelligence cycle that we're in right now is big. It could be bigger than the ones that have gone before. For example, the internet explosion of the late 90s, the mobile revolution after that. But artificial intelligence, and specifically generative AI using large language models, is huge. It's going to affect every part of our business. So in today's presentation, I want to offer our perspective on how combining artificial intelligence with our platform, an automation, a workflow automation platform, the ServiceNow platform, will enhance every part of your business. We want to make you a first mover. And if you're already in the race, we want to bring you to the head of the pack. Okay, let's first talk about the ServiceNow platform. So I talk to many customers and they have very similar problems. Technology is sprawling, is so hard to manage. How do we provide better customer service with reduced costs and reduced friction? How do we digitally transform ourselves? ServiceNow allows you to solve all these problems and more. We help unlock the value from your systems of record without complex code or a lot of integration, with a single system of action to allow work to flow across the whole enterprise. We reinvent how you deliver competitive customer service, how you orchestrate employee journeys, and how you manage risk and compliance, and many more things. We do this with the ServiceNow platform. It is the one intelligent platform for business transformation. I'm going to walk you through this slide. It's a pretty classic slide. You've probably seen these slides before from many companies. And I'm going to tell you, though, what really differentiates us. The thing that differentiates us is this is truly our one platform. We don't have 10 or 5 or 3. This is it. It also has one data model. Very important. I'm going to come back to that. But at the top of this diagram are the workflows. These are the workflows and the solutions in specific industries, like IT and technical workflows, or customer service, or employee workflows. We also have some specific industry workflows that I'll touch on in the next slide as well. The other really special part about this platform is the ability for you to enhance it and extend it using our tools, which we call the creator workflows. These workflows and applications are built on the Now platform. Again, a single platform that ServiceNow has with a single service and data model And below that is really the integrations to your systems, like systems of record, CRMs, ERPs, HR systems, and other pieces of infrastructure. This is a very interesting slide because it sort of starts to dive into some of the use cases. This is a good slide to take a picture of. It has lots and lots of detail. I'm not going to go through the whole thing, but it shows you that within each of these workflows, some of the applications and the products that we offer. There are some things here that are very well known. IT service management, customer service management. But then there are some interesting things like procurement, supplier operations, operational technology, employee growth and development. So we have a very, very deep set of applications and products that can help every part of your enterprise. And this is only a small cross-section of what we actually have. If I was to put everything up here, it would be so teeny, you wouldn't be able to read it. So we have a lot to offer to solve your business problems. Let's talk about Gen AI. So Gen AI, or generative AI, uses large language models and huge data sets. Now, what does this mean? So large language models are something that have come out of the research in the last 5 years. And they allow you to have a human-like interaction with a model. And in terms of the huge data sets, we're talking about trillions of words and trillions of content, pieces of content that have been analyzed and trained by the model. This allows you to have a natural language interaction with the model, and it understands your intent, your context, and it also is able to generate content. Who's played with ChatGPT here? Almost everyone. It is really, really useful, really fun, but it's only the beginning. When you look at something like ChatGPT, you can see that generative AI and large language models are going to completely change the way we do business. In a business context, this means massive productivity gains and insights. It will transform the enterprise. So how do we deliver Gen AI? Well, it comes back to our platform. Artificial intelligence is only going to be as good and as powerful as the platform that it works with. We have been investing in artificial intelligence since 2017 through multiple acquisitions and investments. And we've started to deliver AI features like predictive analytics or enhanced search or document intelligence. But these are just narrow capabilities. Generative AI allows so much more. What we've also invested in the last few years is our own set of domain-specific LLMs. Domain-specific that are being trained directly on our data so that the large language models understand and have context about workflows, our data models, our service models, how a case is constructed, even our software. So this is a differentiator for us. Our domain-specific LLMs are essentially based on existing broad-based LLMs that we have trained and augmented specifically for ServiceNow. So our LLM, the set of Now, we call everything's got a Now in it, the Now LLMs, they are an integral part of the platform. These are not bolt-ons. Other vendors just have a call out to OpenAI. We offer that too, and I'm going to talk about that in a second, but our domain-specific LLMs are purpose-built for our set of use cases. Because this is a single platform, it allows us to innovate very, very quickly. We don't have to manage 5 or 6 different platforms. We do it in one. So let's talk a little bit about the technology. Again, we want to provide the best generative AI solutions out there. We also run these domain-specific LLMs in our data centers, in the ServiceNow data centers. So none of the context, the prompts, or the outputs leave the security of our data centers. But we also allow you to work with external LLMs as well, like ones from Google, Microsoft, and OpenAI. We have branded our AI, our generative AI, as Now Assist. And we have applied this technology across our whole portfolio. We can increase productivity by reducing manual work for agents, which allows the LLMs, the Now Assist LLMs, to do things like case summarization, task analysis, and generate content automatically. We can transform experiences like our virtual agent interface that allows you to have a natural language interaction with the agent. And we can boost developer productivity. You can't use Copilot to develop on top of our product. It doesn't understand our software, but our domain-specific LLMs do. It accelerates work for every user, end users like customers and employees. So better conversations that are powered by LLMs allow you to create content, allow you to interact with the service catalogs very, very easily, improve agent productivity, understand and simplify alerts within complex IT operation systems. And of course, for the developer, improve and enhance productivity. So let me summarize. ServiceNow can solve your complex business problems. Not only in the workflows that I mentioned, but the combination of the workflows, because we have one single data model and one single platform. It offers rich out-of-the-box experiences, but it also allows you to customize these experiences, whether it's a workflow, or a dashboard, or an application, or a mobile experience to your set of needs. And then finally, we have really heavily invested in artificial intelligence, including generative AI and large language models, where we have domain-specific, our own LLMs to provide value that no one else can. Sales teams, product teams, and the local partners are here to help you. Here to help you become a first mover in the artificial intelligence race. And if you're already there, we want to bring you to the head of the pack. Thank you so much for your time. And I'm here also, like Detlef said, the whole day. I'm happy to answer any questions that you have. Thank you very much.